Okay, this is a tutorial on how to rotate the text in Sony Vegas Pro. So I drag the video onto the timeline, and to add a text, first of all let's insert another video track, because the text will be added onto this track. Now select the point where you want the text to start from and insert text media. So go to the menu and press insert text media. Okay, and from here you can set the color, let's say that color. Okay, but the text itself is not visible because we have to go onto the text media, so position the cursor there. Okay, and this window is not for rotating, the second one. So we have three icons here, and the second one, which is event pan crop, that is used for rotating. Okay, so this is the window, and the rotation is done by going to one of the corners out of the four, any of them, and while the the cursor turns into a circular arrow, the text can be rotated, and the text is rotated contrary to what you see here. So you have to imagine this rectangle as being the video itself. So if you turn your head to the left, as this rectangle is turned to the left, then you can see that the text is turning to the right. Okay, so Sony Vegas is rotating the text by turning the video itself. Okay, and let's position that text alongside these tracks, for example. So let's rotate it. Okay, and you can move it just by dragging the square itself, something like that. Let's rotate it a little bit more. Now the text itself is too big. We can make the text smaller by increasing the size of the video, that is the size of this rectangle, by going to the corner, and while it's a double arrow you can make it larger, and that will make the text here smaller. Okay, that's good enough. Let's position it a little bit more, and let's rotate it a little bit more. Okay, and one last thing, or almost the last one. You can notice that here there's a keyframe on the position layer, so not the mask one but the position. And if I leave the video as it is, then if I play it, then it's pretty nice, but the text is moving, and if you don't want to move, then go back to event pan crop and eliminate the first keyframe, right click on it and delete, and then it will remain only that one, which one you rotated. So each and every settings that you make, let's say you place the cursor here and rotate it, it creates a keyframe, and from one keyframe to the another it makes that movement. Okay, let's undo it. So we work on this keyframe only, and I think that's it. Oh no, one more. There is this dot in the center of the rectangle, which is the rotation point. So if I move that point to the edge somewhere, and now I rotate the rectangle, notice that the rectangle is being rotated around that point, and if I click undo, it goes back to the center, and now it come on, undo. Okay, now it jumped back to the center, and now it's being rotated around the center of the square, not the square, the rectangle. Okay, that's it, how to rotate some text in Sony Vegas version 13. Thanks for watching, bye bye.